Yeah, looky there, found a chucker. Run, chucker, run. I'm not swearing. That's what they're called, chuckers. Oh, there's another one right in front of me. It's pretty cool, you don't hardly ever see chuckers. Running off. It's fun. Alright, we decided to go out on a little hike. Didn't really pick a all trails hike or a known hike. We just decided to go up Israel Canyon a little ways, park the truck, and I think we'll just hike up one of these hills here and get a view. We already have a fantastic view up here. I'll show you what we see so far already. It's a fantastic view of Utah Lake, looking out over Lone Peak, Mount Timpanogos. We're in the flight path. We got some planes heading into Salt Lake Airport. There's our jets coming in. But anyway, there's Utah Lake, and Christy's already got a head start on me, heading up the hill there. Anyway, we're just gonna make a little adventure out of it, hike up this little ridge line. We already saw a couple of chuckers already across the road in front of us. That was pretty fun. Don't normally see them, so that was cool. All right, we're just gonna go hike up a little ways and check it out. All right, we'll let the off-trail adventure happen. We're just gonna head up that ridge line and get a better view. And it's a popular area for shooting. People come down here and park and shoot into the hillside, so we want to make sure that we don't see them so they don't see us, so that we're, you know, safe from any stray bullets. But that's the view we see. It's beautiful, beautiful day. Well, can't beat the valley views behind us going up. That's fantastic. I think those chuckers went into this bush, but there's also these little Tweety birds here. Not sure what they are, but little sparrow maybe. Not too worried about us though. We're just trying to get our legs about us, get back in shape in time for hiking Guadalupe Peak and Big Bend National Park trails and whatever else we find along the way on our road trip. Want to make sure we're in shape for that. But those views don't suck. Yeah, this whole area was covered with cedar trees, but there was a fire here years back that burnt the whole mountain. So what you see here is the remnants, standing dead cedar trees. Alright, looks like the people that were shooting this way are leaving, so should be in the clear now. I'll keep my eye out. Looks like you got a great view. Gunshots down off the hill right there. We're making sure we're on this side of the hill so they can't see us, we can't see them. We don't want a stray coming our way. But these views are fantastic. All right, let's put this into perspective a little bit. We got Salt Lake Valley is right there, Salt Lake City. And this is what they call the point of the mountain, the crossover between Salt Lake County and Utah County. That's Thanksgiving Point area right there, and we live right here in Lehi in this area. And going up that ridge line there, we got Lone Peak. It's right up there. Right here we got Box Elder Peak. And in between those two is this trailhead here called Horsetail Falls Trail. And then panning over a little bit further, right here we got American Fork Canyon. That's a pretty popular canyon. Mahogany Mountain is this little mountain right here. We thought about hiking that today, but it's like 4 times steeper than what we're doing right now. And then the majestic Timpanogos Range is right there, with Mount Timpanogos right there. Right in here we got Grove Creek Trail, and right here is Battle Creek Falls Trail. And then we go a little bit further, and that's Provo Canyon with the Provo River heading up that canyon. Anyway, and there's several more mountain tops along here. We got Cascade Mountain, Spanish Fork Peak, and if you get way over here, you got Mount Nebo. Anyway, I can't see it, it's out of view, but anyway, lots of hiking opportunities along that mountain front there, all the way along there, but it's all steep. If you like to go vertical, any one of those trails will do it. But we're taking something a little less steep today. Enjoying the views. So this is one of the rare times we get Christy on a bushwhack adventure. Well, not really bushwhack, but it's off trail, because there's no designated trail here. We're just hiking up this mountain, making our own path going up. You're not going to find this on any trail map anywhere, because there ain't one. We're just having fun. Some more jets coming in. Got a little mix of mud and snow in the trail, or on the mountain I should say. There's no trail. Sounds like the 4th of July going off behind me here. With the price of ammunition these days, every time I hear one of those gunshots go off, pop, pop, it's like 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. Adds up quick if you shoot a lot. Hey, there's some Blackhawks doing some training missions or something. Heading back to base. Well, it's kind of surprising to me that there's an old set of boot tracks heading up this hill. You wouldn't suspect somebody climbing up this. We are, but I don't know. I thought we would have been the only ones. Alright, I think I figured out why those boots tracks were headed up here, because looks like we come across some kind of a bushcraft shelter right there. Piled up dead cedar tree. Make like a little teepee looking thing there. I'll go check it out. Alright, here we go. Hope we don't find anything I don't want to find in there. Huh. I'll go try to find the door here. Huh. It's quite the shelter. Well, alright, well there it is. There's the entrance. Looks pretty good size in there. Huh. Cool. Could probably put a pad down in there and spend the night. Got a great spot. Right up here they got an awesome view, and there's a nice little fire pit right here. Can't beat the views. Awesome. All right, here's the 270 view of what we got. We got Mount Nebo, and we're coming across here, and we got Spanish Fork Peak, Coming across here, got Provo Peak, Cascade Mountain, Mount Timpanogos. Right here we got Box Elder Peak, Lone Peak, and then those Wasatch Front down there overlooking the Salt Lake Valley. And this over here is the Oquirrh Mountain Range over there. And this mountain we're on here is called Lake Mountain. Alright, Christy said this was fun. I should try it. There's not too many hikes you can go on where you can surf. Can't really see it, but I'll put it down on Christy. Oh yeah, there she goes. Get the arms out. Woo! Alright, we had a little fun with the drone. A little crash time into this thing. But the drone is okay. Sounds like World 3 is going on over here, so we're going to go down this other way because we don't want to be dealing with people shooting towards us.
We don't want to get shot.
We don't want to get shot. I don't think anybody wants to get shot. But we're going to go down the safe route here. It's a little steeper, but there's nobody shooting at us. Pow, 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 pow. 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. $3.50. $10. We're just wandering down the hillside here. Come across this little marker. Looks like a survey marker and a geocache. Check it out. Heck yeah.
Water thing?
No, it's a land survey marker and a geocache.
Oh, cool.
Let's see what's inside. Money. Lots of money. Oh wow.
Oh, I think that's
melted. Melted thing. Anybody need a melted lizard? I'm guessing that this gets pretty hot. Because there's all the little plastic things in here are melted.
That's hilarious.
You know, hot pepper? Maybe you're stinking from your hike. You can have some Jovan sex appeal for men. Heck yeah.
What's the pepper? A necklace?
Huh. Yeah, it's
Oh yeah, everybody needs it.
oh, everybody needs
Pepper
one of those.
Yeah, yeah.
That would look good on me, don't you think?
It is red.
Especially if I had some of this. Joven sex appeal for men.
Well,
all right. You're in for a treat if you find that geocache. I'm good though. All right, this is looking pretty steep off this side here, so we're gonna continue that way and side hill down a little bit. This reminds me a lot of hunting and off-trail stuff, you know. Yeah, that drops right off right there. That's steep. But we'll just side hill down and take our time and not get too close to those gunfire shots over there. All right, just got sight of my truck down there. That's where we're headed. I think I'll just do a straight line unless it gets too steep. But yeah, it's fun hiking. Hard to tell, we're on a game trail here now, but that was near vertical coming down the face there, and we had to because these yahoos over here shooting up onto this hillside right here. I mean, idiots. Anyway, I'm trying to find the safest way down. I mean, I like shooting and I'm not opposed to shooting, but people need to do it safely. So, anyway, be mindful of what's in the distance if you're shooting. Anyway, looks like we're about almost down to the road here, so we'll walk down the road back to the truck. Alright, we're on final approach of the truck here. There's a steep booger coming down there. Christy behind me a little bit somewhere. Oh, she's back there on the road. Alright. About ready to wrap this up. Alright, that's going to conclude our hike to nowhere, which ended up yielding some great views and a drone crash too. Bushcraft shelter. It's amazing what you find when you just go off trail somewhere. Anyway.
And a geocache.
And a geocache with sex appeal for men. What more could you ask for? Anyway, catch you on the next one.